get there, they can, however they want to do it. They can put on the edit and come down. It'd probably be better if you're in a good place where you're not on crossing. What do you need behind you? Okay. All right. Keep this 4714 up on the milepost 190. Switching over to the rear. Paperwork up to date. Ready to copy. All right. Up on the milepost 189. Switching over to the rear. Paperwork up to date. Ready to copy. All right. That's going to give you up to North Macon, and then once they get them cut back, I don't know if they want to ride in front of you or what, but once they get them cut back, we'll get back on the box too when they turn you loose. Track 1 number 7020 7020 to the KCSM 4714 4714 at the milepost 189 on the Artesia subdivision. Next box 1, Board Authority number 7015 7015. Next box 6, works with the milepost 189 to north at RTH Macon on the main. X box 8 from Authority, X box 9 clear by 11:59, 1159 hours. 4 boxes are marked 1689. Yeah, go to W434 over. Yeah, he stopped down there about the 192. I think he said the tree's right there around the 192, and he said it's a big one. KC Council 7, Kansas City KCSM 4714. KCSM 4714. Hey, were y'all gonna be able to accept that warrant so I can give him a warrant going with you? Alright, KC Council 7, Kansas NW 434. I was gonna give you North Macon to the 189. It should get you covered over. Track 1 number 7021 7021 to the NW 434 434 at Macon on the Artesia subdivision. Next box 6, work between milepost 190, work between North and RTH Macon to the milepost 189, MD 189 on the main. Next box 8 from Authority, the KCSM 4714, KCSM 4714. Next box 9, clear by 1200, 1200 hours. 3 boxes are marked 689. Alright, I think maintenance is fixing to clear you up. I think they just cut these trees back enough to get you by. And then the train master is fixing to run that yard job down into Macon and meet y'all there around Macon and swap out them. Yeah, that's correct. That's what it sounded like. Alright, then I guess when he gets finished, he'll board out and we'll get on a box too. I guess, and then we'll get up there and get swapped out. Fixing to go look to see how much longer it's going to be, and he's going to let me know, so I don't know if it's going to be another 10 or 15 minutes. Y'all just want to wait up at that main Perkins Road or what, but yeah, I'll let you, or you can holler at him when he calls and see if how much longer he's going to be. Okay, well he said it'll be cleared in about 5-10 minutes, so I don't know if y'all just want to wait and let them get up to that Perkins Road and y'all just swap out there or what. Rail in the clear. What about that other high rail? Is he out the rail in the clear?
He's out the rail in the clear, looking at him. Over. All right, copy that. KPKT and W819.
KPKC Council 7, Kansas City.
W434 to Console 7, over.
Yeah, go to W434.
MW434 is off the rail in the clear at Highway 14. All switches normal to the main. 40, over.
Landing W434 off the rail in the clear, ready to void. Show track 1 number 7021. 7021 and W434. 434 is void. 1053. May 27th, 2024, JLJ, switching normal paperwork up to date. Is that correct?
south, which is normal, to the main, water, paperwork filled out. Over.
And are you finished, or you going to come back out there, or what?
Yeah, I think we finished though.
Alright, got them all done. Hopefully they don't find any more.
Almost to the 14th highway there. We here, we sitting over at the bridge road off the road. Just let us get up there. Alright, we eating that away.
CPTC Council 7, Kansas City.
Mobile unit console 7 over.
Yeah, go ahead, mobile unit O.
I don't have the number for it. Could you pass along? We have a trespasser out here flying a drone here at Highway 14 over the railroad tracks. Over.
Alright, Highway 14. You got someone flying a drone over the tracks.
That's correct. They're parked over here to the left in a blue Silverado with a camper on it. But yeah, they are flying a drone right over the crossing here.
Alright, right there, the crossing, driving a blue Silverado truck with a camper on the back of it.
Yeah, I'll try and get the license plate when I get back there.
Okay, alright, coming in.
Thank you. Mobile unit.
Anybody else for Council 7? Going to be 461. Council 7, Kansas City.
Alright, relief crew on this KCSM 4714 north there.
Alright, relief crew on that KCSM 4714. Y'all swapped out, ready to head north.
Yes, sir, we have a GTB 9592. And I got that track mark 7031 ready to bring it back to you.
Alright, 9592 is good GTB and ready for a reback on that 7031.
Alright, sir. Track warrant authority number 7031-7031 to the KCSM 4714-4714 north in RTH at milepost MP 192-192. On the RTU subdivision, checkbox number 1, board authority number 7020-7020. Checkbox number 2, proceed from milepost MP 192-192 south, SEC to RTU on the main. Got 2 box mark, 1, 2, driving by Bronson, okay. 1056, 1056, 527, 2024, JLJ, woman.
Alright, correct on a reback, and KCSM 4714 does have authority to act on that track warrant number 7031.
Alright, I understand. KCSM 4714 north does have authority to act on authority number 7031, 7031.
That's correct.